Mastering IT service management requires more than just good intentions. It demands a structured approach to design, deliver, and maintain services that truly align with business goals. The ITIl service lifecycle is a testament to this philosophy. While it has evolved into the service value system in ITIl 4, the foundational lifecycle stages laid out in ITIl version 3 continue to empower thousands of organizations with a blueprint for excellence. Let's explore the 5 key stages that have been proven to boost efficiency, enhance quality, and ensure the effectiveness of IT services across various industries. The ITIl service lifecycle is a framework made up of all the processes needed to effectively manage the whole service lifecycle of any product or service offered by an organization. Its scope encompasses the entire lifecycle of IT services, from their initial concept to day-to-day management and operations and their final retirement. It comprises 5 core stages or phases, each focusing on specific activities and processes. The service lifecycle is one of the key differentiators of the ITIl framework. Essentially, it's a way of managing the functions, processes, and ways of working for effectively managing your products and services. The benefits of the service lifecycle framework include practical approach. The service lifecycle promotes adopting best practices by using a transparent and organized framework for managing IT services. There's a clear structure with defined start and end points. Clear responsibilities. The model underpins it so everyone knows what is expected of them regarding being accountable, responsible, consulted, and informed. Constant improvement. The continual service improvement stage keeps everyone honest. The business doesn't stand still, nor should its services. The ITIl lifecycle approach helps us to collectively up our game. Holistic approach to ITSM. The framework ensures that services are aligned with business needs, delivered effectively, and continuously improved upon over time. The ITIl lifecycle is the end-to-end life of a service, and each stage can be considered a quality gate in the progression of the service. On the other hand, service capabilities specifically refer to the assets, skills, and resources needed to deliver each stage. Both are required and must work together to effectively provide the service. The 5 stages of the service cycle are: service strategy defines the perspective, position, patterns, and plans that a service provider needs to be able to execute to meet an organization's business outcomes and needs. Service strategy is about getting it right from the planning stage so that the services we design, move, run, and improve align with the business objectives and customer and stakeholder needs. Service design designs IT services together with the governing IT practices, processes, and policies to realize the service provider's strategy. The design stage is all about making sure that the proposed service is fit for purpose and use, and is designed with the end user and supporting business value in mind. Service design creates the blueprint for the overall service. Service transition provides the overall planning for service introduction, transformation, and retirement, as well as coordinating the required resources. The service transition phase deals with transitioning new or modified services into the live environment or returning them safely from production services. Service operation coordinates and carries out the activities and processes needed to deliver and manage services to business users and customers. This phase involves the ongoing management and delivery of IT services to customers. The primary goal of service operations is to ensure that the services are delivered efficiently and effectively to meet agreed-upon service levels. Continual service improvement aligns IT services with changing business requirements by identifying and adopting improvements to IT services that support business processes. The CSI phase is a continuous feedback loop that runs throughout the service lifecycle. The clue is in the name, it's continual. It focuses on identifying areas for improvement in IT services, processes, and overall performance. Activities include service measurement and baselining, service metrics, service review meetings, customer feedback, and implementing improvement initiatives. So now that we've talked about the theory, the next step is applying this to real life. First, when planning new services, it's important to have a strong plan. Start with building a strategy so that you can aim for value. Design your services so that the appropriate availability, performance, security, and continuity practices are in place, and your service is visible to end users and supported by the correct SLAs and contractual agreements. Then, when making your service live, use change and release management to deploy it safely. Service asset and configuration to document the components and their relationships, and knowledge management to support your people. When maintaining the service, use incident management to fix faults quickly and effectively, problem management to reduce recurring incidents, and request fulfillment to deal with service requests. Finally, build an improvement cycle so that your services improve over time. Implementing the 5 stages of the ITIl lifecycle in your organization will not only provide you with practical tools to ensure the whole service delivery process is working as it should, but it also promotes periodic revision and improvement to make sure that you're always striving for success. Do you have any insights you'd like to share? Leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to InvGate Academy for more insights into the world of service management.